Hey there, Dotson Geist with MarineMax in Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a new trade-in we just received. The 2020 Scout 277 LXF. You'll see she's in the full midnight blue exterior hull color. She does have bottom paint, does not have the trailer, but there are trailers available for purchase. It's got the Grigio interior, VHF radio from up top we can see. We've got the twin Mercury 225s in the matching Scout white color. Trim tabs, of course. We've got the engine flush system as well. Much more to see. We'll show you inside. Alrighty, now that we're in the cockpit of the boat, you'll see again those 225 Mercuries in the back. We have our pop-out bench seat here in the transom. We have a systems access. The Scout's famously known for how clean they are and easily accessible. Great spot for a stern anchor here in Charleston. We have our standard live well over here on the starboard side, port side, excuse me. We have matching fish boxes, both port and starboard underneath my feet. This boat is equipped with the quick disconnect fender pins, the Fender Pros. And then we have our standard port and swinging dive door. This leading post is the upgrade, so it's got the slide out Yeti from underneath. And then we have an additional well up here, great for an additional cooler spot. Built-in knife and plier storage on the Corian counter, nice beefy handrail. In-gun rod storage on the starboard side. We've got the twin 12-inch Garmins here at the helm. Our digital throttle and shift from Merc. Our indicator switch for our trim tabs from Limco. It does have a Fusion stereo. The main head unit's down below, and they got a remote up top. Push button starts for our Mercs. And those Mercuries have 320 hours on it currently. So nice, lightly used boat. The boat was just detailed, so everything's nice and polished and cleaned up. Over here to the port side, you'll see we have our battery charging system, but as well as we have the porcelain head upgrade, then our large console. As we move up, we've got a bench seat just in front of the console with an integrated cooler. And then we do have the windshield wiper on this particular boat. All the lounges in the front, all contoured, nice and soft bolsters. I'm 6 foot for reference, so big usable space up here. We have storage under both port and starboard bow seats, and as well as a super large one here in the floor for additional goodies. On the hardtop, this boat's kind of hard to see from down below on the trailer shot, but we do have the spotlight and as well as the Garmin radar. Up on the front, we have our windlass option that's standard, so our push buttons are there, and as well as controls and toggles at the helm. And this boat is upgraded with the cup holder / rod holder option in the bow. Guys, if you'd like to see this boat in person, or if you'd like to schedule a sea trial, feel free to call us at 843-747-1889. Again, my name's Dotson Geist with MarineMax here in Charleston. Thanks for watching.